Hey, what's up there guys? It's Ian Young from iansjourneys.com, and today I'm in Dongbei, China with my girlfriend Maggie, and we are exploring her hometown, the area where she has been most of her life before she came and I met her in Shenzhen. She lives in Dongbei in a village called Shengjin, which is very near the city of Dandong, which is right on the border of North Korea. Ooh, scary, huh? Well, right now we're walking along the Yalu River. We're making jiao for dinner right now, and I'm just watching how the professionals do it right now. Maggie's mom and the beautiful Maggie herself. Let's take a look. We're back here at the Yalu River, just walking the dog. It's a nice, cool morning, and man, do I like the weather out here in Dongbei.
One.